So for example 2, they introduce another formula. This formula solves for the present value. The formula that we had before solved for a future value. Again, the interest rate per compounding period is I. You're making payments of R, and N is the number of payments. Again, if this came up on an exam and they said, show algebraically, you would have to know how to rearrange this formula to get things by itself and to solve for it. What we're going to do in example 2 here is we are going to use our calculator program to see if we can get the same answer quickly. So, when we're solving with our calculator program, we put everything down and we fill things in. So what's one number I could fill in? PV is 15,000. Would it be positive or negative? Positive, because they're giving you that money. Right, but you have it in your pockets. You still owe them. You have to pay them back. Technically, you have the car, and you shouldn't probably put the car in your pocket, but that's the idea. Anytime something is given to you, it's going to be a positive number. Our payments are going to be negative numbers, right? Because that's when we're giving it back to the bank. So how much are we paying a month? $300. This will be negative. Yes?
So borrow 15,000.
Yeah.
And you spend that 15,000 on the car.
You still have the car. You still have the $15,000 item in your possession.
You have 15,000, like just they got from bank.
Yeah.
You get the car, and the monthly payments are going into the car, so you have to pay anything.
The monthly payments go back to the bank who gave you the 15,000.
Okay.
So that's why that 300 is a negative. In the end, you don't want to owe the bank any money. So in the end, it'll be 0.
The 15,000 positive is how much you owe, right?
The 15,000 is how much you owe.
And you're subtracting how much you owe.
That's right.
Okay.
Our interest rate is 6%. How many monthly payments? So this will be what we're solving for. It's compounded monthly, and we're making monthly payments, so both of these will be 12. Once all of that is in there, you can go to the one you want to solve for and push alpha solve 57.7. This will mean you'll make 58 payments. The last payment will be slightly smaller than the other ones. It'll be 0.7 of 300. So about $210 for that last payment. So once we have all of the information, the graphing calculator is super nice because it's the same program whether you're borrowing money or making an investment. You can figure things out either way. Okay, the questions you can do for 1 and 2 are 3, 6, 7, and 12.